Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through simple conversations. In today's episode, you will practice English listening and speaking through a natural conversation you can use in daily life. Listen carefully, repeat, and speak with confidence. Let's get started.
Hey David, it's nice to see you again.
Hey Emma, nice to see you too. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work and studying English.
That's great. How is your English practice going?
It's improving, but I still feel nervous when I speak.
That's normal. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Part 1. Daily Conversation Practice. What's the best way to practice speaking?
Start with simple daily conversations like this.
Okay, let's try.
What did you do today?
I woke up early, had breakfast, and went to work.
Nice. What did you have for breakfast?
I had eggs and coffee.
Sounds good. Part 2. Listening practice. Now let's practice listening. I'll speak a little faster. Hey, what are you doing later? I'm gonna grab some coffee. Want to come with me?
I heard coffee and come with me.
Good. Now let's slow it down. What are you doing later? I'm going to get some coffee. Do you want to come with me?
Now I understand everything.
Part 3. Repeat and speak. Repeat after me. What are you doing later?
What are you doing later?
I'm going to get some coffee.
I'm going to get some coffee.
Do you want to come with me?
Do you want to come with me?
Perfect. Part 4. Build your own sentences. Now make your own sentence.
I'm going to study English later.
Great. Add more.
I'm going to study English later and watch a video.
Excellent.
Part 5. Think in English. Sometimes I still translate in my head.
Try to think directly in English.
Like, I am talking, I am learning?
Exactly. Let's have a natural conversation. Hey, do you have any plans for tonight?
Yes, I'm going to study English and relax.
That sounds good. Are you watching anything?
Maybe a movie or a YouTube video?
Nice. That's a great way to practice listening.
I feel more comfortable speaking now.
That's because you're practicing step by step.
Listening and speaking together really helps.
Exactly. Always practice both. Final tips. Remember, listen every day. Speak out loud. Repeat what you hear. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
I'll follow these tips. Thanks, David. This practice really helped me.
You're welcome. Keep practicing every day. Great job! Now you've practiced both listening and speaking in English. Keep practicing daily and speak with confidence. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. Please subscribe the channel. See you in the next episode.